Hello, my friends. Happy New Year. Can you believe it? We are finally saying goodbye to 2020. Good riddance, right? And let's look to new beginnings for 2021. You know what? Let's just think it's got to get better than this, right? And you know what? 2021 is going to be brand new exciting things for all of us. That is my biggest prayer for all of us, that we just were able to wake up and just have a brand new start. Now, we have a lot of things happening in 2021 as a company at the Stamps of Life. And you know what? I am so excited to share them with you. Lots and lots of fun things coming. And you know what? My mind is just blown by all the awesome things we're going to have. Club members, you're still going to get your freebies and your club points and your discounts. But you know what? We're adding even more value to that. And I'm just really excited. So I just want to say Happy New Year. Hopefully you're spending time with your family, and we're just going to say, you know what? Good riddance to 2020 and hello 2021. We've been waiting for you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.